Hello, how are you? Welcome back to ShowNewTrend. I'm host of today, and my name is Elvis Dairy.
Imagine 3D printed meat is being sold in supermarkets and grocery stores. Should Americans be worried and cautious about this new trend?
So I mentioned earlier that Campbell Soup VP, who's actually been put on administrative leave for his interesting comment about poor people. Canned soup was made for poor people, and that he himself does not even eat the 3D manufactured food or meat. And I thought, that's interesting. Well, so many people purchase Campbell's Foods, and they're an actual food company. So I just decided that maybe, just maybe, I need to find out exactly what else they own. Y'all want to find out? Come on, let's go. So let's be clear about a couple of things before I go through this list. There are a lot of companies who sell us packaged foods and goods who use bioengineered food products. And we definitely need to be made aware of that before I go through this list. But for you to come out and blatantly say, now, and then here's the other thing. If they are using bioengineered food products, they should be labeling that on the packaging itself, so you as the consumer will know exactly what that is, so you can make a better decision. Unfortunately, with such a trusted name like Good Campbell Soup and the Campbell's company itself, this is very, very disheartening to know that your own VP won't even eat your food. So let's go through exactly what they own, and then you can make a decision for yourself. But it's not like you can't go to thecampbellscompany.com yourself and find out. You ready? Here we go. Campbell's Foods owns Campbell Soup. We know that. Okay? We also have Campbell's Chunky. Did you know that? Of course you did. But did you know about Rao's, RAO''S homemade? That's the spaghetti sauce. What about Prego? Did you know that? Angelo's. Okay. Pacific Soups, creamy tomato and other brands. So Pacific Foods. Oh gosh. Pace Salsa. Yeah. Swanson. Oh yes. V8. Campbell's Slow Kettle Soups. Campbell's Homestyle Soups. Campbell's Cooking Sauces. And SpaghettiOs. Yeah. So there's that. So there's that. Oh, but there's more. You want to know what else? Hold on. Goldfish. Lance. The cookies, the crackers, Snyder's, Pretzels, Snack Factory, the pretzel crisps, Pepperidge Farm, Cape Cod, Pace, V8, Swanson, Milano's by Pepperidge Farm, Kettle brand, Late July. Yes, all the things. Yeah. Just thought you would kind of need to know that just a little bit, because you have a right to know that, because you really don't know exactly. It's a lot I could say, but you want to know who else is a part of Campbell's? Archway cookies, veggie sticks, Jay's potato chips. For those of you all who are from the Midwest, you know exactly who Jay's are. Crunchers, Okie Dokes, yeah, Stella Doro, Tom's, oh, okay, yeah, Pop'ems, Snack Factory, yeah, Kettle, Air Fry, so all the things. And so we could go on and on and on and on and on, but now you have a decision to make, don't you? We all do. It's a lot of things that I don't purchase, and I didn't realize that I just didn't, because most of the time it's just standard fruits and vegetables for this household, or meat. And that's it. We don't really go above that. But The packaged food items, you definitely need to know about. And I'm really, really disappointed. You know what's even more disappointing? Is the company itself didn't say that he was wrong. What he said went against their values. Keep that in mind.
Thank you so much for joining us on today's show. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Gen Z occupy! Gen Z occupy!
Oh shit, here we go again.
Hello, how are you?